Perform putaway. In this session, we define what a putaway is in WMS and how to perform putaway in various scenarios. Let's talk about what is putaway. Putaway is the process of placing received inventory into its corresponding location in the warehouse. Oracle's WMS solution supports both user and system-directed putaway. Let's talk about the system-directed putaway, where the WMS solution plays an important role in determining the best location for storage of stock. In system-directed putaway, the system determines the best stocking location for inventory. System-directed putaway provides the ability for the system to determine the best location for inventory based on 5 components: the location's max units capacity, the location's max LPN's capacity, the location's max volume capacity, the location's putaway sequence value, the location's weight capacity. Now let's look at the screens used to perform system-directed putaway in the system. The RF transaction, directed putaway, will be used to put away cases or pallets to a storage or picking location. The system will direct the user to a specific putaway location. Select the RF transaction, directed putaway. Scan the LPN or the label of the pallet or case that needs to be put away. The RF will direct the user to a putaway location. Go to the location prompted, scan the location barcode, and put away the LPN. This brings us to suggested putaway. Suggested putaway is used to put away stock to a location suggested by a user. This can be used if inventory needs to be put away to a specific location without having to go through and override the system's directed location. The suggested putaway can also be used to put away to the pick line locations if there are any empty locations and if replenishment has not yet occurred. Let's see how to perform a suggested putaway transaction on an RF device. First, you have to select the RF transaction, suggested putaway. Scan the LPN on the label of the pallet or case, and scan the location chosen for the putaway. Note that if the scanned location has a max weight greater than 0, the system will validate the location's max weight with a scanned IB LPN pallet weight to make sure that the new IB LPN pallet is still within the limits of the max weight. In this session, you learned what putaway is and how to perform system and suggested putaway.